What happens if you eat this stuff for 30 days? First of all, please, 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 if you're not used to eating fermented foods or you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, start slow. Your gut bacteria think fiber is delicious, and they ferment that fiber and tell you how happy they are by producing lots of gas and bloating, and may even change your frequency of your bowel movements. Now, the good news is, if you start slow, you will adapt to that. And within 30 days, you'll be up and running on a generous dose of sauerkraut and kimchi. But please, 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 don't eat the whole jar the first day. I don't want cards and letters coming in saying, "What'd you make me do that for? I'm miserable." Start slow and then work your way up. Studies have shown that humans who have done this actually have remarkable improvement in inflammatory markers, have remarkable improvements in gut biodiversity, and that's what's going to happen when you eat these foods for 30 days.